Gionee S11S smartphone was launched in November 2017. The phone comes with a 6.1-inch touchscreen display with a resolution of 1080 pixels by 2160 pixels. The Gionee S11S is powered by a 2.5 GHz MediaTek Helio P30 processor, and it comes with 6 GB of RAM. The phone packs 64 GB of internal storage that can be expanded up to 128 GB via microSD card. As far as the cameras are concerned, the Gionee S11S packs a 16-megapixel primary camera on the rear and a 20-megapixel front shooter for selfies. The Gionee S11S runs Android 7.1 and is powered by a 3600 mAh non-removable battery. It measures 155.82 by 72.58 by 6.95 height x width x thickness, and weigh 177.00 grams. The Gionee S11S is a dual SIM, GSM and GSM, smartphone that accepts nano SIM and nano SIM. Connectivity options include Wi-Fi, GPS, Bluetooth, NFC, USB OTG, FM, 3G and 4G. Sensors on the phone include compass magnetometer, proximity sensor, accelerometer, ambient light sensor and gyroscope.